Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. What a fall, guys. Beautiful fall. Okay. Uh, Beautiful fall it was. Can't say anything about it. It took time. It broke this. So as we already said, if it breaks this then we can short it, and that's what happened. It broke and we did short. Okay, so here's where I shorted it. Exactly at this place at 11:15 in 5 minutes. Yes, I got an opportunity exactly like this. I shorted it, but my stop loss was here, 60 point stop loss. Yeah, I shorted it here. I captured around 1 is to 3 and I exited. So this is how I captured 1 is to 3 and I exited. Okay, here it did take time, but it came down. I was hanging on to this trade, seeing other stocks, which because every stocks were bleeding, so I was hanging on to this trade. So that's for Nifty. Okay, let me tell you tomorrow's plan. Oh god. Okay, so if you guys see in 1 hour time frame, this is a very good trend line which has been broken now. Okay, it is broken, and this is a confluence which got tested and came down. Okay, now if we see the bigger picture, there is a very solid support here. Once it got bounced from here, it actually has bounced twice from the same location. Okay, this is one, this is the second time. This bounce was pretty good. Now it is here. We have to see how this candle is performing, only then we can trade it. So tomorrow I'm not going to trade anything, simply because I want to see what the market is doing. It has already moved 500 point, it has moved. Okay, so basically it would have gotten exhausted. Most of my stocks have hit their few of my fresh stocks have hit their stop losses. That is which I bought recently, I think beginning of the month, which I bought has hit their stop losses, and 2-3 stocks are still holding, which is really good. So tomorrow I won't be trading anything. If it crosses 22,150 and below, I'll be selling it, and my target will be this 21,595. Okay, buying, no, I'm not looking forward to buy anything because this is totally negative, so there's no use of buying anything now. Let's go to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, it is exactly at a very good level now. Tomorrow, if the market gaps down or gaps up, and if I get a price of 46,950, I'll be selling it, and my stop loss will be around 100 points something, and my target will be 46,585. Okay, that's it for Bank Nifty. Next is US oil. US oil has given us a very good entry today. Just now we have entered it. We are still holding it. So this is how the entry looks. This is where we entered, and this is how the entry looks. So this is my stop loss. In 1 hour time frame, 50 points of stop loss. Yeah, 50 point of stop loss, and we have good targets here. So this will be the target, $80. Okay, $80.75 will be the target. But these resistance should always be kept in mind before. So first I'll be booking my partial. I'll be booking at $79.90. Second, I'll be booking around $80.30. Then I'll be booking around $80.70. Okay. Next is gold. Gold is still on sideways. Let it decide, and then we will plan of trades. This is a good resistance. If it breaches below 2145, I'll be looking forward to sell it. My buy positions only above 2188. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys got some information in this video. This is just my view on the market. This is not a tip or a recommendation. You can just use this as the reference. If you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe, and please don't get into any new swing tradings because the market is very negative now. It can come down more because there is gap on the lower side. It can come down more. So be cautious in market. If it hits the stop loss, please take the stop loss and move to and stay away from the market. When again it starts moving upwards, we will trade again. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.